Zahid Law Associates. Nadra marriage certificate consists of details of a married couple both in Urdu and English. Foreign authorities accept Nadra marriage registration certificates to confirm wedding contract between couples. Nadra marriage certificate is a prerequisite for a family visa or spouse visa. It has global acceptance since Government of Pakistan issues it. Who issue Nadra marriage certificate in Pakistan? Nadra does not issue the marriage certificate directly. Following authorities issue marriage certificate: Union Council, TMA Office, Cantonment Board Office, Arbitration Council in Islamabad. What are the requirements to get a Nadra marriage certificate? Copies of Urdu Nikahnaama, CNIC bride and groom, CNIC of the father, bride and groom, CNIC of Nikah Kawan, copies of passport in case of foreigner. We at Zahid Law Associates can help you to get a Nadra marriage certificate in a very short time. We can deliver it to you through TCS or DHL carrier, etc. Please contact +92 300 2329 223 WhatsApp. www.zahidulf.com